Great, I realize we have not saved our project yet. We better do that. So if you go to File, hit Save, and give it a name, save it somewhere that you will be able to find it. All right, so we're putting in doors and windows. Let's do doors first. We're going to put in a front door and a back door in here. So I want to go to my level 1 plan. I'm going to come over here to the project browser, double click on level 1. It looks like it's already up over here. I'm kind of tired of having this double view, so I'm just going to close that. I have such a small screen and I just want to look at one view at a time. So I'm going to try again, double click on level 1, and here it is. Okay, to add in a door, I'll come over here to my architecture tab, click on door, and I'm going to just click to position it. So we set a front door and a back door. So this door you'll see opens up this way. I can change where the swing is. So maybe I wanted to go that way. I can also have it swing in instead of out. I'm going to keep it swinging out. Same thing with this, I'll keep that swinging out. I think I would prefer this to be a double door. So if I go to my properties, let's see, there's no double door loaded in here, so I need to load in a double door. So I'm going to go over here to Insert, click on Load Family, and then it's going to bring up this whole library of Revit families. Revit calls a family basically any object in there. So doors are a family, walls are a family, sort of. Columns are a family. Windows are a family. All these kind of like succinct objects are called families. So I'm going to come over here to doors, double click, and then I'm going to put, I want a double door. So let's see, not that, single panel. Okay, here we go. Double sliding, double glass. Yeah, this is what I'm looking for, a double glass door. So I'm going to select that. If you don't have that, you might have this one, the double flush panel. That's also fine. So I'm going to click on door double glass and hit open. And now it's asking me what sizes, what types I want to bring in. So each family, so like the family is the door then has, that family has types within it, which are basically different sizes of it, or different kinds of that door. So for sizes, I want one that's going to be 6 foot wide and 7 foot tall. So I'm going to select this one is 6 foot wide and 7 foot tall. I can also hold down Tab or Control, and I can select the one above it. So I'd have another option for a slightly shorter door, and hit OK. Now when I select this door and go to my Properties panel, that double door glass will show up here, and I can select this one, which is my taller door, and that'll bring that in. Okay, so I want this door to be centered in my space. You'll notice right now it's off to one side. So to do that, I'm going to use some detail lines to help me center it. I'll show you two ways to do this. The first way to get it centered, I'm going to make some detail lines to help me center it. So I'm going to go to Annotate, click on Detail Line, and then draw a line across from here to here, and click. Then hit Escape to end that action. Then hover over, with this still selected, hover over the center of your line until you see the triangle that shows you the midpoint. Come straight down, click, Escape. Now I'm going to align this door to that line. I'm going to type in AL for align. The other place I can find that is over here under Modify. I can choose it here, Align. I'm going to select my line, and then I'm going to select the midpoint of that door, and that's going to bring it right to the center. So that is one way to get the door in the middle. The other way I could have done that, I could dimension it and then make my dimensions equal. So if I go over to Annotate, hit the Aligned Dimension, I'm going to select the center line of this wall, select the center line of my door, and then select the center line of that wall. Click out here, just like out in this area, not selecting anything specifically. And then over here it says EQ and it's slashed through it. Click on that, And that'll make this dimension and that dimension equal, and that'll make the door go in the middle. This door, I'm going to reverse the swing, so I'm going to select it, reverse the swing there, and then I want to bring it with 6 inches from this wall, so I'm going to go back to my aligned dimension. I'm going to tab, so if you hit tab, it'll help you select everything. So tab to select the inside of that wall, select the inside of that wall, click outside. Now I'm going to select my door, and up here I'm going to type in 6, and then quotation marks for inches, and hit enter. All right, so now I have my front door and my back door. And if I go to my 3D view, I can see the front door in there and the back door in there. Nice work. Let's take a pause here, and then we'll do windows in the next video.